In this video, we'll help you find the best 4K camcorder in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on the quality, durability, price, and more. I have included options at several price points, so no matter your budget, we will have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Sony FDrax 53B. This 4K UHD camcorder provides exceptional image clarity and definition. It has a 20 times zoom wide-angle lens with a focal length of 35mm that maintains picture quality when you zoom in and out. It also features balanced optical steady shot, BOS, which keeps your footage stable and minimizes bumps and other disturbance. This product offers an image resolution of 16.6 MP, and integrated microphone, and a convenient 3.0-inch LCD screen. It has an XMOR sensor and features built-in Wi-Fi, so you can link it to other wireless devices. It's also one of the best models if you need a portable camcorder thanks to its small, lightweight design. However, its manual controls are relatively limited in comparison to some competitors. Panasonic HCX1000. This multi-format camcorder offers excellent image quality and is perfect for creating documentaries and home movies. It captures images in full HD thanks to its all-intra compression feature, providing overall quality of 200 megabytes per second. This model features a 20 times Leica lens with 3 mounted rings, and it also has ND filters. Integrated Wi-Fi and NFC allow you to link your camcorder to your wireless devices for straightforward file transfers. However, it's bulkier and heavier than some comparable products. Blackmagic Design URSA Mini Pro. Unlike many similar products, this camcorder features external controls for quick, straightforward navigation between functions. It includes a 35mm 4.6K Super CMOS sensor and captures footage in 4608 by 2592 resolution up to 60p, offering exceptional quality. It comes with integrated LCD and ND filters. However, please bear in mind that it can't compress RAW files, and it's significantly heavier than some other options. Although it's one of the pricier models on our list, it's worth shelling out if you have the budget available.